Yeah, hello and welcome guys. I am again here with a new video tutorial around Moodle. So in this video, we'll see how you can create a mini course. Okay, so let's get started in that. So for that, you should have admin access or enough access so that you can create a course. So currently I'm logging with the admin credential itself. So here within this category, I will go to create a course. Okay, so your course may be full-fledged, like you'll have the topic, then you'll have the subtopics, then within that we'll have actual learning component. But in case you are planning just you have only one course, then how you can deal with that? Okay, suppose you have a SCOM package and within that particular SCOM you have everything. You don't have to worry around here the sections and the subsections. So in that case, you can create a mini course like let me tell you. Uh, you can put the name here, then here the short name, and the category will pick, and you can adjust the start and end date as per your business requirement. And here under course format, you see here the format in the section. So this will basically add you the many sections. By default, it will add 4. Then further, you can add more sections. And you see here the weekly section. So in case you have a mini course, you can also go with this one, mini section. So this course is divided into sections corresponding to each week. Okay, so beginning from the course started. Now, suppose you have just only one course and you have everything within that particular SCOM or yeah, any other PDF, then you can go for this one. Okay, so you can consider this as a mini course, so single activity course. So if I click on this, it will give me option here which activity I will have to go for. Okay, so let's select here a book. Now save and display. Okay, so now it will be asking me to create a lesson here. Okay, so new book, you see. Let's put the name here. So intro to Moodle. Now save. Okay, so now it is asking me to add chapter. Got it? So I will add here the chapter 1. You see here I am not adding anything like the section and the subsection. I just added one activity, that is book. So I might have choose a different one also. Okay, so now you see we have the chapter. Then within this chapter we can have the content. Okay, so I will come into the edit mode. Okay, so here you can add more chapter or add new chapter. So I will add chapter 2, and this is the content of that chapter. Okay, so content of chapter 2. Got it? So this is content. Now you see the chapter 1 content, you can go for. So the content may be anything in your case. Okay, so like this. Now how the user, how it will look like at the user end. Okay, so let's see. It's just a very simple course and mini course, you can consider that one. So again, going back here under mini course, I can see the view like this. Okay, so I will have just the chapter. Then if I click on the next, I will have the second chapter. Got it? So this is a very simple way you can use the single activity as a mini course. Now, suppose you might have choose a different one. Let me tell you also. So you also see in case of other. So I will create a one more course here. Let's say mini course 2. Now, so everything you will have to play around the course format. So again, I will search, go for the single activity, and this time I will go for the assignment. Okay, so this way, suppose you have only one assignment you have to handle. So everything you are making online and you want a separate mini course for submitting assignment, then you can go for this one. Okay, suppose you have a quiz. Let's say, let's type this time quiz one and save and display. So it will be asking for the quiz title here. Got it? And here the description will go, and after save, you see you'll have to add here the question. Okay. Like this. Yes. Okay, so you can add here n number of questions. Now again, go back to the main course and see how it look like. So again, here under menu 2, I can see. So this will look like this. So you just enter the course, you see here only the preview or attend. In case you are a student, it will give you the option to attend. Okay, so let me check the view of the student. Yeah, so it will be give me attend. So the moment I attempt, it just come here, whatever the question will have. Got it? So this is how you can use the single activity as a mini course. Got it? So that's it from the video. Thank you. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.